Hello, my name is Sergey from Skybuffer team, and it's quite usually happen that you're sitting and working and you're concentrated and focused on whatever you are doing in SAP, and then you try to access another system and then my user is locked. What will you do next? Will you create a ticket, or will you use like a hotline support, and then you will wait in a queue, and then physical person will talk to you, try to authentify you in a conversation over the phone, and probably then you will be unlocked. All this might take you up to an hour. We know it because we've been in such kind of situation for quite some time. However, now it can be changed for sure. In case you utilize SAP Conversational AI platform and connect it to SAP On Premise system using SAP certified add-on from Skybuffer and SAP Conversational AI content that we develop, then you can either chat to your SAP On-Premise system, or you can talk to your SAP On-Premise system via voice-enabled interfaces. Today you will see it both. In this demonstration I will use like Alexa Hadot and just directly talk to SAP. And at the end of this video you will see how it's possible to be done in a chat session where you chat directly to SAP On-Premise system via SAP Conversational AI platform. So I will start my custom skill on Alexa Hadot. You can also use Alexa app installed on your phone, and I will talk to SAP On-Premise system where my user is locked and will try to unlock it. Alexa, start Joy.
Here is Joy, your virtual SAP assistant.
Unlock my user.
I can perform the action in the following systems: ERD, SM1. Please select the system you need.
SM1.
Do I understand you right that you need SM1?
Yes.
What's your telephone number, please?
So you see I will be authenticated on a telephone number, so it not ask me for my user ID because it might be quite complicated to tell in a chat session. So I will tell a telephone number and then get an SMS here because then I will be authenticated. Alexa, 47900
Let me check. Are you Sarhay Tsikanenko?
Yes.
Glad to meet you, Sarhay. Okay, I'll text you the code then. Please check your messages for it and paste the delivered code here in this chat.
617799.
Congrats, your ID is proved valid. Now you have access to SAP data. Your user ID s.tsikanenk is active now. You can log into the system.
Right. Now you can see that my user is unlocked and it was really fast, and I talked directly to a SAP system and I was authenticated by Alexa device. So after this video you will see the same I will do like in the chat session, and you will see how it works in chat. It might be even like more convenient than just to talk to SAP, but depends, like everything is possible. Voice enabled channel, chats, whatever you prefer, but you can avoid directly in support line. And also, well, we will see that ticket can be created automatically, so then you can see, okay, what is the performance of this channel? So how many tickets, how many users were served by artificial intelligence that is hosted on SAP Conversational AI platform. Okay, let's see the same scenario in a chat session. So when we talk to SAP, like a text to SAP again, so we will have our SAP Conversational AI platform in place that is connected to SAP On-Premise system using Skybuffer add-on, and for sure we will utilize like AI content that is developed by Skybuffer and that is hosted on SAP Conversational AI platform. So the starting point of the business case is the same. I'm trying to log into the system, too many failed attempts. Unfortunately, user is locked. For sure, we have some policies in a company, and let's say for this case, we can do like a self-service to unlock a user. In this case, I will go to a company website and start a chat session, and we'll say something like, unlock my user. And in this case, on Conversational AI platform, so the chat session, the conversation is created, and then like a chatbot will ask me the same, like actually in which system I like to perform my action. And in our case, it's like SM1. And then it will be confirmation whether it's SM1. So you just need to be positive here. So even can plus like the utterance that the chatbot asks you. And as I mentioned, so here you will see like user instead of email, because in a chat and a text, so it's quite easy to provide your user ID. That might be a little bit complicated to pronounce correctly and to capture our Alexa interface. So here we can say, yes, that's my user, it's correct. And verification code is sent via email. We can say that like no access, for instance, send me SMS, and then SMS will be sent. So that's how you can switch between SMS and email. And as you saw, like in an Alexa voice-enabled interface, we assumed that you have no access to your email. It's like easy for you to get SMS first, not like email. So that's why in voice-enabled interfaces, we are sending you SMS. However, like in the chat interfaces, we are sending you an email. So what I will do now, so I will just provide a verification code that I just received to my phone number, and then validation happens in the background, and we will see that the user will be unlocked, so I can successfully log in. So it was quite easy, and again, it was with authentication. In case I will use some channels, for instance, and you see like incident is captured as well. So in case I will use some other channels like Skype for Business, then it will work in another way, then I will not be authentified. All right, now let's try to log in again using the same user I had before and my previously defined by myself password. Now you see my user is unlocked and I can log into a system. And also we have my incidents. And if I open it, so you will see that incident is created based on the same conversation we had in the channel. So everything is captured here, as I said. And the status is solution proposed because we are for sure, like as the case is solved, user is unlocked. So, but you see, we have this like tickets created by artificial intelligence. So then at the end of the month, we can see the number of tickets, assess it, like multiply, like on the average number of hours it costs you to process this ticket, and then you will have like benefits. You can assess like what is like return of investment. All right, thank you.